You've finally hit the 6-figure mark. You've got the senior title. On paper, you've made it. But if you're sitting in your car or at your desk right now thinking that all you're doing is managing a more expensive version of survival mode, I want you to know something. You're not failing. The math of modern success has changed. My name is Alyssa, and I have spent my career climbing from analyst to manager and beyond before making the leap into consulting. I remember thinking that once I hit a certain salary mark, the background noise of financial anxiety would just stop. But it didn't. It just got louder. Today, we're looking at the data to explain why. We're talking about why nearly 1 in 3 six-figure earners say that they're stretched, struggling, or even drowning, and why even at that $300,000 level, 62% of people are carrying credit card debt. Let's look at the income paradox and find out why your high salary feels so heavy. In your late 20s and early 30s, we hit what I call the polish tax. As your career scales, the infrastructure required to support that career scales too. It's not just about buying a nice car. It's the invisible overhead, the cost of living in a zip code that puts you near the office. It's the $100 haircut to make sure that you don't show up at a board meeting looking unpolished. It's the convenience premium you pay for grocery delivery because you worked an 11-hour day today and you just don't have the cognitive ability to go walk down the aisle and pick out your organic eggs. We've been told that this is lifestyle creep, as if it's a moral failing of some kind. But for high-earning women, it's often functional creep. You aren't buying luxury. You're buying the ability to stay functional in a high-stress environment. But when those costs rise faster than your take-home pay, you fall into the high-earner trap, making more money than ever with less freedom than you had in your 20s. Let's look into the psychology of this. According to Vanguard research, emergency savings is the single strongest predictor of financial well-being. Having just $2,000 in the bank increases your well-being score by 21%. But for our demographic, that's just a start. When you hit that 3 to 6 month expense margin, the data shows that you gain back 2.5 hours of mental effort each week. Think about that. If your internal hourly rate is $100 an hour, you are essentially paying a $1,000 monthly tax just to manage the stress of not having a buffer. We feel behind because we are cognitively bankrupt. We are using our highest level of executive functioning just to figure out how to pay for our big 4: home, auto, pets, and kids. You have to look at your big 4 expenses. Is your car a tool, or is it actually a polish tax that you can't afford? Is your apartment an investment in your peace of mind, or just an expensive box? We have to learn to buy it nice or buy it twice. But we also have to know when to stop buying into the expectations of others. The goal of this channel isn't to tell you to stop spending. It's to help you stop spending on things that don't increase your capacity and make your money work for you. If you're ready to stop just earning and start owning your life, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.